Now, bar diagram for categorical variable. Already I have discussed the data management part and we have saved the clean data. Dat A and dat final both are equal. Just here ID and remark variables were dropped. So this is our this is our data set. So here in the previous session we have discussed how to create bar chart for binary outcome. Now we will discuss for categorical variable. There are many categorical variable. So we will use BMI cat. So first of all, we have to create a summary table that, for example, final. We can use any data set, no problem. Then select. We have to select BMI cat. Then BMI cat. Now count. Why count? Because we need frequency or percentage. For binary outcome, we use mean because for binary outcome, mean and proportion equal. So if we run, then C1, sorry, count BMI cat. Yes. So we can draw the bar diagram for this variable, but we need percentage. How to calculate percentage? Mutate function. Then P is equal to N divided by sum of N into 100. We know that frequency is equal to frequency divided by total frequency. So if we run and here no error, so we can check. Yeah, this is the N percentage. So now we can easily prepare the graph. How to prepare? C1 ggplot AES AES X is equal to BMI cat Y is equal to P. So then geom coal. So if we run, yeah, this is our bar diagram for categorical variable, underweight, normal weight, overweight. Now we have to format. So please write the syntax and pause the video, write the syntax.